Hi friends, in this video I will discuss about SCD type 2 using effective date or with dynamic lookup transformation. So select a star from SCD type 2 effective date con. So SCD type 2 if date con is my source table and at there are 7 rows are there. And SCD tab to if date count TCT is my target table. Now let's go to mapping designer. So my source table is SCD tab to if date. So drag into mapping designer. So if you drag, then you have to give new mapping name. So I'm giving an SCD tag to EFF underscore date underscore using dynamic LKP. Now mapping all created. Now hereafter click on lookup uh, transformation symbol. So right here or select the location of the lookup table target. Name is S3 tag to if date count TCT. Now click OK. So lookup table columns come there. Now hereafter select all fields of source qualifier and drag into lookup transformation. Since customer underscore ID name 1 as state 1 contact underscore number comes from source qualifier, so right here I'm going to change the port name with underscore SQ. Now hereafter give the condition customer ID equal to customer ID SQ. Now hereafter go to properties tab and in down to make lookup transformation dynamic, so you have to enable lookup cache persistent. Sorry, dynamic lookup cache. There is checkbox is there, so you have to enable or dynamic lookup cache. And after that, there are two options, two attributes are there. insert as update, update as insert. Now click, I'm going to click insert as update checkbox. So since lookup acts as a or dynamic, so associated expression uh, tabs or getting enabled. So according to name, I'm going to assign name underscore sq, estate for estate underscore sq, and contact number for contact number underscore sq. So sq is that is surrogate key. So that should be integer. So if you change data type integer, then that will associated expression sequence ID comes. So sequence ID nothing but the sequence number like 0.234 or till n, or till number of rows. So since if we have 7 rows, so sequence ID comes 1 to 7. Now hereafter uh, I'm going to click generate SQL, so that will generate the by default SQL query. So here I'm going to do some modification. So right here where SCD tag to if date quantity, that is table dot up underscore date. So give any future date right here. To convert to any future date, we have to use to date, that will convert character or a string into to date. So right here 0909, that is future date. So right here first is for that is month, DD is for date, and 4 times Y, that is for year. Now give the password and validate the query. So there is no any error detected. So apply. So one thing is that lookup field created has no associated port for lookup updates. So click no button and disable or remove created and updated columns. Now apply and OK. So hereafter click router transformation symbol and drag into mapping. So select all fields of lookup transformation and drag into router transformation. So in group we have to create two groups. For first is for insert and second for update. So right here write formula I app if new lookup row equal to 1 or new lookup row equal to 2, then condition true or else false. So new lookup row values are 0, 1, 2. So if you like to know more about dynamic lookup transformation, Then go to my YouTube channel. So at there write dynamic lookup transformation in Informatica. So at there I discussed more detail about dynamic lookup and new lookup flow. Now validate it's successful. For update I app or double click new lookup row at your right equal to then true or else false. Now apply. So two group or created insert update. Now hereafter uh, click expression transformation and for insert group select columns customer ID SQ name SQ state SQ contact number SQ and drag into expression transformation and drag one more expression transformation. So post expression transformation we have to add two new fields. First the data tab must be date tab. So first is for CR date that is created and next for UP date that is update date. So CR that CR date formula write to system date sys date and at here now go to lookup transformation and properties. So at here directly no need to write copy to from to date and paste into update that is UP date. Now hereafter for update group need to only ASCII and add one ports date at write only UP date that is update. So at your formula write sys date. Now I need to update strategy transformation, one for insert and second for update. So select all fields of expression transformation that is EXP into first update strategy transformation and at here right formula DD insert and at here right DD update. So now go to targets and track target table into mapping and copy and paste the target table. So first I'm going to use for insert. So add insert word, and second I'm going to use for update, so you add update word. Apply, okay. Now, okay, take one sequence generator transformation, and next val link with SCD tab if date con underscore insert target table, and select the fields and drag into target tables, and add here only need ASCII and UP date. Now validate the mapping valid. Hereafter I'm going to create workflow of this mapping. So click on generate workflow. So right here, give connection object. Now click next button. So workflow name WFM tab to EF date, and session name MSM tab to if date. Now click next. So workflow generated successfully. Now click finish button. Now click on workflow manager. So my workflow is WFM tab to if date using dynamic lookup, or drag into workflow designer. So double click into session, and in mapping also lookup use object hrcon, and change the ITR target table target flow tag bulk to normal. Now apply and OK and save the workflow. So workflow is valid. Now run the session. So workflow monitor is not connected. So I have to connect workflow monitor as well. So double click into RIP, and right here give the password. Now run once again the session. So now this time session is in running state. session gets succeeded. So source target statistics. Since in source we have 7 records, but in target table there are no any records are loaded. So let's check the target table records. So right here records are already present. Now truncate the records of target table. Now in target table there is no any records. So run the session again. So at this time SCD tab to if date quantity insert. So 7 rows applied and 7 rows affected. Mm. So at here now let's change the state Texas 1 to Texas and click OK. Now run the session. So at here 1 row applied for insert and 1 row applied for update. Let's check into by query. So at here Texas 1 that is updated on 28 September 15 and on Texas that is created on 28 but that's all on future date. Now change the state Arizona to Arizona 1 to Arizona underscore A and save commit to and start the session again. Now this time 1 rows applied and affected both in insert and update target table. And run the query. So at here carry 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 change the change the state Arizona 1 to Arizona underscore A. So Arizona carry Arizona 909002 or SQ12. So at your update UP date equal to 28 September 15 and Arizona underscore 1 that is newly inserted record so that at the that is stored future date 09 September 99. Now let's insert this time record 1109 customer ID name salary state Cambridge and contact number 88990009 and commit. Now start the session again. So at this time only one record inserted. So let's run the query. So at here SKey 17 and customer ID 1109 Sally Cambridge contact number 88990009. So create date 28 September 15 that is system date and update date that is future date 09/7/99. So if you insert any record so update date or that is future date whatever you set to add the expression and lookup transformation. So at the lookup transformation that will check by condition and in expression transformation you set the UP date 09/7/99. So hereafter I will update the records tomorrow. Today is 28/9/2015. Now see the today's date 29 September 2015. So let's start the session. So session gets succeeded and in source target statistics. So since I don't change any records or insert any record, so at here in insert and update target or tables there are no records are applied and affected. So let's uh, update the state of Sally Cambridge to Albert and commit and start the session again. So at this time, one record applied for insert and one record applied for update. So let's see the records. So at here, Sally Howard 889909. So that their ASCII newly ASCII created 18. So created that is system date 29 September 15. So UP date that is updated or future updated. So I said 09 September 99. So right here in down SK 17 Sally Cambridge 889909 with SK 17. So right here created 28 and says change the address Cambridge to Howard. So right here update date is 29 September 15. So that's why SKey 17 that is update records and SKey 18 that is uh, acts as a newly insert records. So that's all about SCD tag tune using effective date or with dynamic lookup transformation.